Think you know French food? Think again. 5 must-haves you can't miss when visiting France. Okay, number 1. The warm, flaky croissant. Butter layers so thin they almost glow, steam lifting with every tear. Number 2. A crusty baguette. Crackly outside, pillowy inside, perfect for midnight cheese raids. Number 3. A silky, tangy crème brûlée. That brittle caramel top shatters into custardy heaven. Number 4. A rustic tarte tatin. Caramelized apples glazed like liquid gold, upside-down perfection. Number 5. A rich, slow-simmered boeuf bourguignon. Deep wine aroma, tender beef falling apart with each forkful. Quick tips: hunt local markets. Eat with all senses. And never skip the cheese course. With jump-cut energy, bite-sized and utterly drool-worthy. Beat. Which one are you trying first?